Now it's time to experience the UK's first Texas Chainsaw Massacre scare maze. Mother told me this is a classic horror movie, and Leatherface was inspired by me, a guy, the serial killer. Isn't that right, Mother? This scare maze looks like the bee's knees. That's what Mother always says to me.
Good evening.
Hi there. Come on in, come on in. Come on closer. Come closer. Now, keep coming in closer, which won't hear me. Take no notice of the noise. Now listen, you haven't been looking for that no hash down that road, have you? Because it's really not working. Very dangerous. Very dangerous. Here, but also, don't knock the stupid around, okay? Now, I'm having barbecue. Now, can I ask you, do you like chicken? Do you like steak? Fantastic. Come on in.
Thank you.
Come on in. Open that door. Thank you very much.
Nor would they have wished to see as much of the mad and macabre as they could not have expected. Nor would they have
Don't worry about the nuts, we're just dealing with a cow. You go on through, nothing to worry about it.
Love the tractor tyres.
Oh, Jerry.
No, I haven't seen Jerry. No.
Man.
No.
I don't think so. Jerry, have you seen Jerry? Jerry.
I know it's Tom.
Jerry, have you seen him? Jerry. Jerry.
I think that's Jerry.
Mother. Hello, Mother. Hello, Mother.
You two, stop messing around. I don't enjoy it. Come on, number 3, you got this, baby. You got this. Oh, God.
You haven't seen the movie, have you?
So good. So good.
Scramble.
So good. Let's go. Come on. Okay, let's go. Let's see.
Hello, Grandpa. Maybe that's Jerry.
My name's Nubbins. I work up at the slaughterhouse with my daddy and my brothers. We don't use no air gun no more, no. We like to use a sledgehammer. And I tell you what, I'll bring it up and I'll slam it down the back of their heads. Y'all got to receive my meat. The slaughterhouse with my daddy and my brothers.
Oh, yeah.
No!
look so pretty. You want to end up like this boy over here? Come on, baby. I'm gonna take it from you. She's gonna be mine right now. Yes, brother.
Hey, yo, little Mexico, pass the gas.
Painted face got me feeling like I'm terrified. Take your head off your neck with piano wire. You be cuffing on that hoe knowing she a liar.